Racing just is started. We have sharp as ever. Break quickly to start. Down on the inside of his Pampanggenyo. All too well. Then comes Undisputed Art. Pusong Bato comes next. Coraggioso. Miss Dainty getting better. Tabing Ilog. While Just Asia is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have sharp as ever says why we follow deep, we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 4 lengths lead all too well in second. Undisputed Heart is racing in third, and in fourth comes Pusong Bato, Pampanggenyo, Coraggioso, Miss Dainty comes next, Tabing Ilog getting better, while Just Asia is still in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Sharp as ever, enjoying a 6 lengths lead, all too well in second. Undisputed Heart now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth Pusong Bato. Then comes Coraggioso down on the inside, getting better, moving upon the outside, Miss Dainty, Just Asia, Tabing Ilog, while Pampanggenyo now racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch, sharp as ever. Just Asia now moving upon the outside, all too well in between horses. We have sharp as ever moving upon the outside is Undisputed Art, sharp as ever, Undisputed Art, Undisputed Art, sharp as ever, and finally Undisputed Art, sharp as ever. Then comes
Okay, Bayan Karirista, napakagandang laban nga po at ng ating unofficial winner dito na misa is Undisputed Art with GB Hernandez. Masisegundo yung 9 horse na nabanderang si Sharp as ever, tercero, numero 8.